Hey everybody, how's it going out there? It's your boy, Brian Strife, and today we have the brand new Galarian Birds tins. Now I went out today and I found Articuno and I found Zapdos. However, I was not able to find a Moltres for some reason. I've been to GameStops and Walmarts all day running around. So I got two Articuno ones just to say we have three. So let's go ahead and see what we get in here. These just came out today. They have 5 packs of Crown Zenith. They also come with Galarian Birds, 1 promo, Galarian Articuno right there. Here's the code card for the box. And then comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 packs. So let me go ahead and get all these packs out of here just to streamline the opening. These tins are kind of warped. There we go. That's probably very loud. My bad. That's probably very loud. There's the Articuno promo. As soon as I find a Moltres one, I will be opening that one as well. But like I said, I just couldn't find one today. So here's a second Galarian Articuno and the code card real quick. These tins are actually kind of poorly made. There was one at the store that was already busted on the bottom. And like I said, they're kind of warped. So it's hard to get them to open. Or get them back closed, I mean. And then here is the Zapdos card. I actually love Zapdos, and I think they could have done a little bit better with that card, I'm not gonna lie. The Articuno and the Moltres look so cool, but the Zapdos is just kind of, I don't know, chasing Dodrio or something. I'm not sure what it's doing. I think in the other tin I put the plastic back inside of it instead of throwing it on the floor. Okay, here, let's see. We're going to set these to the side up here. I'll sleeve them up after we're done here. So we have 15 Crown Zenith packs. Let's see how good Crown Zenith ends up being in these new tins. If you go to my TikTok, I opened a bunch of Crown Zenith cards from the mini tins that I found at Target. I bought a whole box of them. And let me tell you, they had some good hits in there. Pokemon Catcher, Pincurchin, Rare Candy, Cherubi, Yungoos, Emolga, Scyther, Starly, a reverse Larvesta. Okay, so in the first one we have nothing, which is kind of rare for Crown Zenith hits to have nothing. And if you haven't seen my last video, I did a little Evolving Skies opening, a quick little Evolving Skies opening. I think you're going to want to check that out. I had some really good hits in there. Surprising, because I only opened 15 packs. Chatot, Kricketot, Emolga, a reverse Shaman, and a Blossom. So 2 in a row with nothing in them. Crown Zenith is usually better than this. Speaking of 15 packs, we have 15 packs open today. But those Evolving Skies, if you haven't seen it already, I actually opened 2 alternate arts in that video. Energy, Metang, Digging Duo, Graveler, Chatot, Love Disc, Purloin, Rockruff, Execute, a Reverse Pancham, and a Zorora V. So this is our first hit, a Zorora V. I actually love electric Pokemon, if you've watched any of my other videos. Jolteon is my favorite Pokemon. I just set that in the wrong stack. I'm trying to keep this organized while I'm opening this. It's probably why my videos end up being kind of long. But it saves up on clean time afterwards. The cleanup is already bad enough because I'm just throwing cards down on, or throwing code cards in the trash down on the floor. So it's bad enough I'm picking that up. Electrike, Digging Duo, Girafarig, Salandit, Coughing, Bidoof, Sunkern, Galarian Mr. Mime, and Irida Full Art, Trainer. The art on this is very good, very good, very good. I love it. And on the end is just a Volcarona. So let me sleeve this one up without stabbing. I'm using the ETB sleeves, which kind of takes away from the texture in the holographic on these cards. I don't really like that. But it's hard to find sleeves when I go to the store. It's hard enough to find Pokemon cards, which when I go out I should film. I should start filming to show you guys what it's like going out to the Walmarts around here. I went to the worst dollar store today and found some cards in there. But even there, it was just all modern sets. So I didn't get anything. Rare Candy Reverse and a Wailord. We're actually having some not good luck with these 10s here. Usually, when there's new products, they usually, from what I've noticed, have good hits in them. And then when they remake the products and things like that, they don't have as good hits. But these are just pretty lackluster so far. Other than the Irida, Girafarig, Pincurchin, Pokemon Catcher, Scyther, Pokeball, Yungoos, Cherubi, Execute, a Reverse Blossom, and just a Zorora. So yeah, like I said, these are actually not treating us so well. Those mini tins, which if you go on my TikTok down in the description below, the mini tins were amazing. They had awesome cards in there. Today, the one I posted, I think, had the Hisuian Zoroark and a Hatterene VMAX in one pack. I've pulled a couple Gardenia's Vigor, Sharon's Cares. Good stuff. So I know there's a lot of hits in these packs, but I don't know. There's a code card there for you. That Irida is new to me though, so that is really cool. Steel Energy, Luxio, Electric, Rescue Carrier, Seal, Rockruff, Aaron, Riolu, Starly, a Reverse Ultra Ball, and Blossom. Let's see, we're down to 7 packs, so we're already halfway and we've only had 2 hits. Crown Zenith is usually better than this. Let me know if you're getting the same type of garbage packs. I don't want to say garbage packs, but they're kind of garbage packs. Riolu, Young Goose, Cherubi, Starly, Coughing Reverse, and just a Hollow Volcanion. Which, that's just the first Hollow card we've gotten so far. Just a plain Hollow card. There's that pack for you. I think I was filming a little too low on the screen. Oh man. I hope I didn't do that. Graveler, Rare Candy, Galarian Meowth, Whalmer, Shinx, Corphish, Pawniard, the Magmortar Galarian Gallery, which is another new one for me. I have the Electivire, so now I have the Magmortar to go with it. And this art is pretty sweet. The art on that's pretty sweet. Let me sleeve that up real quick. I need to, like I said earlier, I need to start filming a little bit of the hunting of the packs, I guess to call it. Because sometimes it's a little rough trying to go out and get stuff. A lot of people around here buy stuff. There's people that take these cards to antique shops and mark them up crazy. Nice. EVV, I gotta open this pack up here. Let me take this out. EVV. I've been looking for this card. So that's another good one to add. The EV art on this is so cute. I got a bunch of stuff all over my desk. So we got 4 more packs left. I'm liking the pace of this video, 15 minutes it looks like. I'm going to try to keep it a little faster pace. The first few videos I was just trial and error really. So that first video was pretty long. If you want to go at, this is the, I think 4th video I'm posting. If you want to go back and look at them. Bidoof, Energy Switch, and another Blossom. Like I said, the last video, that one really got me going. But I'm not getting very many views yet still. I need a Facebook or something like that to post to. Energy, Salazzle, Ultra Ball, Electric, Tangela, which for some reason I feel like that Tangela art was used in another set. Shinx, another Magmortar card, and our second holographic Hoopa. So we do get another double here with this Magmortar, but the art on it is so good. So I don't mind that too much. Last 2 packs. So as for every video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. If you want to check out my TikTok in the description, I'd appreciate that. And just give me some constructive criticism. You're not going to hurt my feelings or anything. Unless you tell me to stop doing it, which there's a little peeking out on the side over there. Cynthia's Ambition. I think that's a good card in this set. Followed by a Steel Energy. Which, I thought these came in the reverse spot as well. Maybe I'm wrong. But those go pretty good together. The Irida and the Cynthia's Ambition, I think, is really making this opening better, because otherwise I was getting a lot of dud packs. Let's see if we can get another hit in the last one here. One, two, three, four. See if we can end on a little something something. Bisharp, Lunatone, Rescue Carrier, Wooloo, Rolling Through the Woods, Woolooloo, Snorunt, Pawniard, Reverse Pincurchin, and Enamorus. The worst Pokemon of all time. So we did get a couple of things. Let's see, let me sort these out here a little bit. Oh. Here we have the Galarian Birds, Steel Energy, Zeraora V. We actually got 2 Magmortars, the EVV, Cynthia's Ambition, and the Irida Full Art Trainer card, which I think this one is the more expensive card in the set, but I love the artwork on this one. So that's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 hits out of 15 Crown Zenith, which is kind of crazy, like I said. It's pretty wild. Anyways, thanks for watching, everybody. TikTok in the description below. Comment, constructive criticism. Like, subscribe to the video, share the video with some people. Let me know what you'd like to see. And I'll see you next time. Peace.